Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Wanted to show you the first 4 of my one color Dutch pours are all dry. How pretty they look. And I'm gonna let these dry for a few more days and then I'll put a coat of varnish or 2 on them and I'll put them up on my Etsy page. So if you're interested in them, contact me and I can get them shipped out to you. But I am going to do a couple more of these one color Dutch pours. So let me get set up and I'll be right back. So I'm going to start out by putting my white on my canvas. I remembered to grab my spatula this time. It makes it so much easier to spread out and get a nice thin layer. And everybody that uses these spatulas just absolutely love them, and I know why, because they do work well. You can get a great layer all the way out to the edges. You just float it along the top. Just like that, and you're done. So today, I think I'm going to do a red flower. I have a few reds here. I have a permanent red. I have a crimson mixed up. This is a self-mixed burgundy. I don't even remember what colors I put in there to make that. It's been a while. You mix them up in these containers and you can save them for a long time. And this is a Deco Art Extreme Sheen Garnet. So we'll see how that works in there. Okay, so I think I'm going to start out with this self-mixed burgundy. And I'm going to go in with some permanent red. Put in some garnet. And then some of my crimson. I think I might just drizzle some white across here. I'm going to pour some white on the canvas, just to give that something to flow with. Put a little bit back by here behind it. I'm going to blow the white over and then blow it out. Give it a torch to get the air bubbles out. Okay, here we go. Okay. Did not quite put enough paint up here behind it, so I'm going to put some more white on here so that it can travel. I'm always afraid of putting too much of my colored paint on here and having it too thick. So let's give this a try. Beautiful. Okay, that's so much better. I love it. Love it. Some pretty cells coming up here. I'm going to kind of blow this out a little bit here. Just giving it a look to see if I want to change anything. Oh, that's better. I like that. Okay, beautiful. Loving it. Oh, so pretty. Let me give you a close-up. Very soft, wispy edges. I love that. Nice deep center. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Appreciate you coming to visit with me tonight, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is actually number 5 in my series of one color Dutch pours. So I'm going to have one more. I think I'm going to stop at 6. I don't want y'all to get too bored. Got to change it up a little bit sometimes. So thanks for visiting with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.